Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video I'm going to speak about the openAI. So the openAI is one of the popular company in recent times. Why they are big sensation right now is they released a new module for programming community. The feature of the module is if you give any text prompt into their distribution, it will convert your text fantasy ideas into image form. It is the reason behind their popularity right now, and they named their library as DAL-E2. This library is not yet published, and if you want to test this library first, they are having one waiting list forum. So just give your information over here and they will notify you when they are publishing their library. So apart from this, I just look around their other publications. To be honest, they have some good publications which are related to AI. Look at my screen. These are their current AI distributions. So let's check few of this. The first interesting thing I noticed is the grammar correction thing. So basically you have to give some incorrect sentences as an input. So once you give the incorrect sentences, then this intelligence will automatically correct your sentences. So this is the interesting feature about the grammar correction distribution. Okay, and additionally I found another interesting feature in openAI. I'm sure that this feature will help many Python programmers as possible. They are having one publication called Python Bug Fixer, and if you enter the Python code, this AI distribution automatically identifies your bugs and gives you the bug-free code as an output. But unluckily, I won't get a chance to try this feature because this feature is currently off. I guess they are working on their engines. So that's all about this video. So what do you think about the openAI? Just comment it down. I want to know your thoughts about openAI. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share for more interesting things which are related to artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next week.